Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Here you can see my expert culvert setting abilities. Or not. Either way. The slope that I'm on right here, it's actually a pretty good slope. You can see to the left of the machine there, there's actually some pretty decent tracks down in that pit. I slid the machine in there earlier, literally it just slid about 4 feet straight sideways, and I was half stuck in there. So it took me a little while to get that out. What I'm doing here is just kind of maneuvering the culvert around and setting it where it's ultimately going to end up. Perfect. Now that that's done, I have to go through and bury the culvert. I'm bringing all of the excess dirt, rock material from up the hill. Obviously I've skipped forward quite a bit in this, so that way I don't have to watch this for like 3 hours. But what I'm doing is just bringing that excess rock down, dropping it off on the sides. This entire pile is freshly moved, decomposed granite, a little bit of black dirt, some kind of mix in there. So what's happening is when I get to the edges of this pile and I'm dumping, like right there, the front of the machine actually sinks down. So then what I do is I back drag to fill in those tracks that I just compacted down, and you just kind of keep building it up and building it up. One thing that I've noticed with this project is I made this way too high. I don't really have a good reason for that or an excuse, more so just a whoops. Honestly, it's not a big deal. I can pass over this twice with the dozer and make it any height that I want. I kind of didn't really pay attention to that because I'm trying to build this up higher, so that way it helps so I don't have such a hill to come down from up top. That I think was a little bit ambitious to try and overcome, so all I'm doing here is just kind of filling everything in and working as I go on the road to nowhere at the moment. But this road by end of summer will be pretty amazing. Stick around, subscribe for more.